Hey, good morning everyone, and thanks for checking out this forecast update. Temperatures are in the lower 40s this morning. We're going to warm up nicely today. We'll see the warmest temperatures we have had since October, but it will come with a few showers this morning. Looking at the forecast timing of the rain this morning working through, looks like from about 7 through about 11 this morning, we'll see a few showers around. But the good news is the showers will move out this afternoon. I think after 1 o'clock we're going to be dry. So if you have plans later today, get outside and enjoy. We're going to see temperatures in the mid-60s and dry weather. We'll see our next round of some rain coming in overnight. It looks like around midnight to about 7 tomorrow morning. A few showers, could see a couple isolated rumbles of thunder out there tomorrow morning. And then as we go through the day tomorrow, we're watching for the potential of a few severe storms. Could pose, for one thing, wind is going to be a big concern. Even outside of thunderstorms, storms could contain some damaging wind gusts. Also, there is some potential for a few tornadoes to spin up tomorrow afternoon. With some of these thunderstorms that are forecast to move through, it looks like from about 2 to about 7 tomorrow will be our main time frame of concern. So mid to late afternoon, you're going to have to watch things closely here for the chance of severe storms. And regardless of storms, we're going to see very windy conditions tomorrow. We could see wind gusts around 45 to 55 miles per hour later tomorrow morning through the afternoon. Isolated gusts could get near 60 miles per hour tomorrow, so some damaging wind is possible even outside of any thunderstorms. And here's a look at that full forecast today: 65. Again, dry this afternoon. We'll see scattered storms, especially for the afternoon on Thursday. And then, boy, we're going to turn much cooler again by Friday with cloudy skies, a few sprinkles. The weekend not looking too bad, mostly dry. We'll see temperatures a little bit cooler than normal. We'll keep those temperatures a little bit cooler into next week. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day.